Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to AiZen Tools.
What if a single AI could replace your scriptwriter, video editor, voiceover artist, and ad spokesperson all at once?
So I figured why not check it out? So today we'll see what it can actually do and whether it's worth the attention that it's getting. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you haven't, and tell me in the comments which AI tools should be next on the list.
Most people think creating product ads is just about writing a quick prompt and waiting for AI to generate something random. But the real challenge is not creating one ad. The real challenge is creating ads that look clean, match your brand, show the product properly, use the right avatar, use the right voice, and can be tested quickly without wasting hours every time. That is exactly why Creatify is interesting. Creatify is an AI platform built for creating video ads, image ads, product creatives, and full ad workflows using AI. So instead of using different tools for scripts, visuals, avatars, voiceovers, product assets, and final editing, you can bring most of the creative process into one place. And what I like here is that it does not feel like a basic AI video generator. It feels more like an AI creative workspace made for e-commerce brands, dropshipping stores, agencies, and anyone who needs to create ads consistently. When you open Creatify, one of the first things you see is the AI agent. This is where you can start creating by simply describing what you want. You can ask it to create a product ad, a UGC-style video, an image ad, or a campaign idea. Instead of building everything manually from zero, you can guide the agent with your product, your angle, and the style you want. For example, if you have a skincare product, a fashion item, a tech gadget, or any simple e-commerce product, you do not need to spend too much time thinking about the perfect ad structure. You can ask Creatify to turn that product into an ad with a strong hook, a clear problem, a solution, product benefits, and a call to action. Inside Creatify, you have different tools depending on what you want to create. You can create video ads, image ads, generate assets, research competitors, and even prepare ads for launch. So the workflow is not just about generating one random video, it is more complete than that. Let's start with the product side. In the My Brand section, you can organize your brand, products, assets, avatars, voices, and brand kit. This is useful because if you create ads regularly, you do not want to upload the same product images, logos, colors, and brand details again and again. You can add products, store product images and videos in the asset library, and reuse them whenever you create a new ad. This is especially important for e-commerce because product visuals can make or break the ad. If the product does not look clean and clear, the ad will not feel convincing. Then you have avatars. This is one of the strongest parts of Creatify because you can create talking videos with AI avatars. Instead of hiring a creator every time, waiting for filming, revisions, and delivery, you can generate realistic avatar videos directly inside the platform. You can choose an avatar depending on the product and the style of the ad. For skincare, you might want a calm and trustworthy presenter. For fashion, you might want a confident lifestyle look. For tech products, you might want a clean and professional presenter. Creatify also supports voices, including cloned voices, so you can combine avatars with different voice options and create multiple versions of the same ad much faster. So the workflow becomes simple. You add your product, you choose the type of ad, you select an avatar, you choose a voice, you use the AI agent to create the script or direction. Then Creatify helps turn everything into a finished video ad.
Your ice drink stays iced for 40 hours. This Stanley Quencher H2.0 is built for people who actually have.
Compared to the normal process where you need a scriptwriter, editor, voiceover, presenter, product images, captions, and several revisions, this is much faster and easier to scale. Another useful feature is the brand kit. The brand kit helps keep your ads aligned with your brand style. You can add brand colors, brand details, selling points, and product positioning. This matters because one common problem with AI content is that every result can look different and disconnected. With a proper brand setup, the AI has more context. It understands what the brand is about, what should be highlighted, and how the product should be presented. This makes the final ads feel more intentional and less random. For e-commerce and dropshipping, another important feature is competitor research. Before creating an ad, you do not always want to guess what might work. Creatify lets you research competitors and study the type of ads they are running. You can look at different hooks, formats, visuals, and creative styles that are already being used in the market. The goal is not to copy, The goal is to understand what kind of angles are working, then create your own better version faster. There is also an image ad tool, which is useful when you do not need a full video. Sometimes you just need clean static creatives for testing. Creatify lets you generate image ads from your products, so you can quickly create different visuals and test more angles. This is very useful for paid ads because one creative is usually not enough. You need different hooks, different visuals, different styles, and different messages to see what performs best. And if you want to go further, Creatify also includes launch tools. You can prepare ads for platforms like Meta, TikTok, AppLovin, and Google. So the platform is not only about creating the content, it also supports the next step of getting those creatives ready for campaigns. So who is Creatify best for? It is great for e-commerce store owners who want to create product ads faster. It is also useful for dropshippers who need to test many products and angles quickly. Agencies can use it to create UGC-style creatives, product videos, and image ads for multiple clients. And marketers or creators can use it to turn product ideas into polished ad content without needing a full production team. Of course, this does not mean you generate one video and expect it to perform perfectly. You still need a good product, a good offer, a strong hook, and proper testing, but Creatify can help you create more variations, test faster, and improve your creative process. That is the real advantage. AI is not just about replacing the work, it is about helping you create more, test faster, and find what actually works. So if you are running an e-commerce brand, a dropshipping store, or you create ads for clients, Creatify is definitely worth checking out. You can use it to organize products, build your brand kit, generate video ads, create image ads, use AI avatars, add voices, research competitors, and manage the creative process from one place. I will leave the link in the description so you can try Creatify and explore it yourself. And as always, if you want more AI tools for marketing, content creation, e-commerce, and automation, make sure to subscribe to AiZen Tools.